Hi students, welcome to RP class. Now we can see the problem. Find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are 0, -1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. Find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. Areas of the given triangle. See what they given in the question. They given one triangle. The given triangle vertices are 0, -1 and 2, 1 and 0, 3. I am taking this is A, B, C. I am taking this is the A, B, C. And we have to find the areas of the triangle. This triangle is formed by joining the midpoints or sides of the given triangle. What is the midpoint of the side AC? This is the midpoint. I am taking this midpoint D. And what is the midpoint of AB? I am taking E. D, E, F. D, E, F. D, E, F are the midpoint of the sides of the given triangle. Now here we need to find the areas of the triangle DEF. We need to find the areas of the triangle DEF. We need to find first we have to know the coordinate points of D and the coordinate points of F and coordinate points of E. How we can find? They given D is the midpoint of AC. So using a midpoint formula easily we can find the DEF. We can find easily using a midpoint formula. First, let the vertices of the given triangle be A of 0, -1, B of 2, 1 and C of 0, 3 and D, E, F are the midpoint of the sides AC, AB and BC respectively. Okay, first I take the given point, given triangle points ABC, vertices ABC, and I am taking DEF for the midpoint of the sides AC, AB, ABC respectively. Next we have to find the coordinate points of D. How to find the coordinate points of D? Using a midpoint formula. Why D is the midpoint of AC? So using a midpoint formula easily we can find the D. Therefore the coordinates points of D. Coordinate point D equal to, what is the midpoint formula? X1 plus X2 divided by 2, Y1 plus Y2 divided by 2. See, coordinate points of D mean now this is X1, this is Y1 and this is X2 value, this is the Y2 value. Apply the value in the formula. 0 plus 0 divided by 2 minus 1 plus 3 divided by 2. Equal to 0 by any number 0, minus 1 plus 3, 2 divided by 2. Equal to 0 if we cancel mean 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is the coordinate points of D. So D coordinate points we got 0, 1. Next we have to find the coordinate points of E. The coordinate point E. Coordinate point E equal to same formula. We have to change the x1 y1 value and x2 y2. E mean this is x1 y1 and here only x2 y2 value. Apply the value in the formula. So x1 0 plus 2 divided by 2 and to minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2 equal to 0 plus 2, 2 by 2, 0 by 2. which is equal to 2 by 2 1 1 comma 0 1 comma 0. Therefore the coordinate point E is 1 comma 0. Coordinate point E is 1 comma 0. Same like we need to find the coordinate point of F. Yes, points F equal to F mean which is x1 y1. F we need mean this is a x1 y1, this is a x2 y2. x1 y1 x2 y2. Apply the value in the midpoint formula. x1 plus x2 divided by 2. So 2 plus 0 divided by 2. 1 plus 3 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2. Which is equal to, if we cancel mean 1 here 2. So 2, 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 is the coordinate points of F. So coordinate points of F 1 comma 2. Now we know the all the 3 points D, E, F. Then easily we can find the areas of triangle. How? Using a areas of triangle formula, easily we can find the areas of triangle D, E, F, because we know the 3 points value we know. So next step, we have to find the areas of the triangle. Next, we have to find the areas of the triangle. Area of triangle DEF. DEF. DEF equal to, what is the formula? 1 by 2 into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Okay, now what is the x1 y1 value? This is x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. Apply the value in the formula, which is equal to 1 by 2 into x1. x1 value is 0. 0 into y2 equal to 0 minus y3 equal to 2 plus x2. x2 equal to 1 and y3 equal to 2 minus y1 equal to 1 plus x3. x3 equal to 1 and y1 equal to 1 minus y2 equal to 0. Next you just simplify. 1 by 2 into 0 into any number 0 plus 1, 2 minus 1, 1 plus 1 into 1. 1 by 2 into 0 plus 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into 1, 1, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 cancel. The areas of triangle DEF equal to, we got 1. Next we have to find areas of the given triangle. What is the given triangle? ABC. ABC. Areas of the triangle. Area of triangle ABC equal to. Now what is the x1 y1 value? Now this is a x1 y1 and here x2 y2, here x3 y3. Apply the value in the formula. 1 by 2 into x1 0, 0 into y2 1 minus y3 3 plus x2 equal to 2, y3 value is 3 minus y1 minus 1 plus x3 equal to 0, y1 minus 1 minus y2 equal to 1. Here 1 by 2 into 0 into any number 0 plus 2 into 3 minus into minus plus 1 plus 0 into any number 0 equal to 1 by 2 into 0 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 0, which is equal to 1 by 2, 2 4s are 8. If you cancel mean we will get the 4. See, now the areas of the triangle DEF equal to 1 and areas of the triangle ABC equal to 4. What they are asking? Find the ratio of this area. This area means areas of the triangle DEF and the areas of the given triangle. What is the given triangle? ABC. We have to find the ratio. So we have to find the ratio. How we can find the ratio? Therefore, areas of triangle DEF divided by areas of triangle ABC. Ratio we have to find. Areas of triangle DEF value is 1 and the areas of triangle ABC equal to 4. 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Therefore, the ratio is, therefore, area of triangle DEF is to area of triangle ABC implies 1 is to 4. This is the ratio of areas of triangle DEF and the given triangle. What is the ratio? 1 is to 4. I just explained one more time. They given a triangle. ABC is a given triangle. They given the 3 vertices of the given triangle. And they are saying this DEF are the midpoint of the sides of the given triangle. Midpoint. D is the midpoint of AC and E is the midpoint of AB. F is the midpoint of CB. They given. So we have to first to find the areas of the DEF. How to find? We need to find the areas of triangle DEF mean first we have to know the coordinate points of D and the coordinate points of E and the F. How to find D? Using a midpoint formula, easily we can find DEF. Next, you just apply the coordinate points in a area formula. We can find the areas of the triangle DEF. Then we have to find the areas of the triangle ABC. Then we can get the areas of triangle DEF is to areas of triangle ABC equal to 1 is to 4. 1 is to 4. Thank you, students.